Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel, and today guys we'll work on the 2019 Audi A5. We'll replace the headlight bulb, the xenon bulb. As you see in the video, I'm showing you the the left side driver's side headlight. It's because I have a little bit of more space. I'm showing you where the cover is located. So let's go back on the right side. That's where we're going to work. And first thing what you want to do is to take a set of Torx. We'll need a T10, T15 bunch of screws. They're on Torx. Unscrew all of them. Also, you'll have a plastic nut for 10 millimeters. Once you're done with that, you'll be able to uncover, right, to pull the fender liner out, just enough to have enough space to unscrew that headlight cover in the back. Particular cover is not too hard to be found. It has the electricity sign on it. It has 3 screws, 2 on the side, 1 on top. It's on T15, I believe. And here we go, guys. We have the lamp, the bulb. It has 1 connector. To unscrew it, you gotta turn it right, so it's against clockwise. The connector has a small clip on it on the side as well. You can see in the video. Use a small screwdriver to press that and remove the bulb. Particular bulb is very expensive. If you go on aftermarket, it'll be $150. At the dealer is around 180, 200, depends on where you live. Make sure I got a aftermarket part. Make sure you are putting next to each other and it's matching the original part, because you don't want to damage, you don't want to install the wrong wrong part. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to put everything back together and then you got the wrong part. So be gentle with it. Make sure you see the way I show in the video is how you are inserting it back, and you want to make sure like it's clockwise turned, so it fits well and it clicks in, so it stays right. Once you're done with the bulb and it's installed right, go ahead and turn on your car and quick check it out to make sure the bulb works before you putting the screws and the fender line and the cover back together. So this way you don't want to do twice the job. You know what I mean? That was a quick video how to change the bulb on 2019 Audi A5. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time.